Okay. I mentioned the Predator series last night on NBC Dateline. And it's as if they're lined up at a cafeteria coming to these homes. And it's clergy, and it's professors, and it's law enforcement people, and it's military. And it really makes you embarrassed, Ken, to be a part of that gender. You know, you just kind of want to say, not all of us, you know, not all of the guys, and you in particular, you face this on a regular basis, not just as a parent, but also in your business with data doctors. You have parents call you, right, about protecting their kids?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, we, on a routine basis, go out and try to educate parents on, you know, this is a very complex set of rules going on out there that they're completely clueless about.
But are there rules?
Sure.
I mean, does MySpace have any rules about what they can do and what they can't do?
On their website, they do. I mean, it's really the rules that you're going to set up in your home and just the awareness of what actually is going on. And it's just like anything else. You know, driving is pretty scary until you learn the rules of the road. And it's not as scary, but it's still, you have to be cautious. And this is no different.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about what the kids are doing. And, you know, I know this is one of those points of redundancy because we're here talking with Terry Goddard about it. We're talking with Ken Coburn about it. We have a number of people who come in and talk about the dangers of unsupervised computer use in your home. And I know that I'm talking to somebody right now who says, well, yeah, but my child can be trusted, so that's why we have a computer in his or her room. Great student, has never caused us any problem. What's your argument?
Well, in my home with my soon-to-be 18-year-old and my soon-to-be 14-year-old, I trust them explicitly. We've had the discussions. My problem is I don't trust the 600 million people on the other end of the computer that will do everything they can to manipulate young, naive minds. And they know how to